Good morning, dear.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also pretty well, dear. I'm going to ask you some basic questions. Are you ready for it?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
The first question is, who gave you your name?
My name was given to me by my grandmother, and it was given me at the time of my birth.
Okay. Does your name have any particular meaning?
Yes, my name has a particular meaning, and it means ocean.
Do you like your name?
Yes, I love my name very much.
In your country, do people feel that their name is very important or special?
Yes, in my country, people tend to think that their name is very special and they love their name.
Would you like to change your name in the future? Why and why not?
No, I would not change my name in upcoming future, as I love my name very much.
Is it easy to change your name in your country?
No, it is not easy for anyone to change their name in our country, as because of some government documents. In 12th mark sheet, we have to, after changing the name, we have to change it in 12th mark sheet too, which is very difficult task.
Who usually names babies in your country?
Usually in my country, babies are named by their parents or grandparents.
What names are most common in your hometown?
In my hometown, most common names are Sagar, Sahil, Sakshi, Srishti, etc.
Do you work or are you a student?
I am a student, full-time student.
Do you like any subject?
Yeah, my favorite subject is science.
What are the most popular subjects in your country?
Most popular subjects in my country are physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics.
What is the name of your hometown?
My hometown name is Rohtak, and it was changed from Rohtasgarh.
Is that a big city or a small town?
It is a big city which contains every kind of facilities.
Please describe your hometown a little.
In my hometown, there are different kind of facilities. There is a university and other institutions. There are different cloth markets and other stuff. There are every medical facilities available here.
How long have you been living here?
I am living since my birth. It is about 19 years now.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I love my hometown very much because of facilities provided.
What do you like the most about your hometown?
The most liked thing by me of my hometown is about Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, as the stadium contains every sports facility, and army recruitment in Rohtak is also done over there.
Is there anything you dislike about your hometown?
Yes, there are some things which I dislike about my hometown. One of them is the main traffic, and it is not controlled properly by the traffic police.
Do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a house in my village.
Who do you live with?
I live with my grandparents, and we are having a pet.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived there since my childhood, and it is about 19 years now.
Do you plan to live there for a long time?
Yes, I am planning to live there after my retirement, as before that I do not have enough time because of my job and studies.
Which room does your family spend most time in and why?
My family spend the most time in their own personal room, because they are having each and every kind of facility over there. They have television, AC, and other kind of things which they need.
What do you usually do in your house when you are free?
Whenever I get free, I like to somehow study my science books, and after studying I would like to play on my PS5.
Are the transport facilities to your hometown very good?
Yes, transport facilities to my hometown are very good, as it is one of the main place over this place.
Do you prefer living in a house or a flat?
I would prefer to live in a house rather than a flat.
Please describe the room you live in.
I live in a room which contains LCD home theater and a study table where I study. It contains a PS5 in which I can play games, There are different kind of books. There are different kind of books, and I have a bookshelf too in that.
What part of your home do you like the most?
The most liked part of my home is my room, as it contains each and every facility that I need.
Do you think it is important to be on time?
Yes, it is important to be on time, because being on time is good for us and our employers and tutors.
How do you feel when others are late?
Whenever any of my friend gets late, I feel so much bad, because they had just told me about the time and they were late, and I have to change my plans.
How often do you get late?
I get late very less, as I am punctual of my time.
How do you feel when you are late?
Whenever I get late, there are several reasons, because of traffic and other works, and I feel so much bad because of this feeling. Because of being I was late, my friends had to change every plan.
How much time do you watch TV?
I haven't watched TV since my graduation, since my secondary school, as I do not have enough time to watch TV.
What is your favorite TV program, or what was your favorite TV program?
My favorite TV program was about this Man vs. Wild, as I got to learn different kind of skills from that.
Did you watch much TV when you were a child?
Yeah, when I was child and having enough time to watch TV, I used to watch TV nearly 10 to 12 hours, and I slept so much late because of that.
Do you think television has changed in the past few decades?
Yeah, television has changed so much in past few decades. First, there were huge televisions, but now they are so much slim and so much small.
Are there many museums in your hometown?
There are several museums nearby, but there is no museum in my hometown.
Do you think museums are useful for visitors to your hometown?
As I know that there are no museums in our hometown, but if there were one of them, then it would be so much useful for visitors.
How do you often visit a museum?
I have been visiting different places, but they were not historic museums. But I have visited some of the museum in past few years in Delhi.
Did you go to any museum when you were a child?
Yeah, when I was child, I went with a school trip to a museum in Delhi.
Do you think museums are important?
Yeah, museums are so much important, because they tell us about the history of our Indian culture.
What public holidays do you have in your country?
There are different kind of public holidays in my country. Some of them are Independence Day, Republic Day, 2nd August, and etc.
Do people in your country celebrate Christmas?
Yeah, people in my country celebrate Christmas, as India is a vast country and contain different religions. There are Christians and everyone, and even now Hindus, Muslims are also celebrating Christmas.
Do you like public holidays?
Yeah, I love public holidays because I get some time to spend with my family and friends.
Which public holiday do you like the most?
The most liked public holiday by me is Independence Day and Republic Day.
What did you do during the last public holiday?
At last public holiday on 26th January, I went to a tour with my friends to hill stations, and we had fun.
What would you like to do during the next public holiday?
I have some different plans for next public holiday, as we will all friends get time on that public holiday, so we'll be all together and have different kind of chats.
Do you think public holidays are important?
Yeah, according to me, public holidays are very important for an individual.
Do you think there should be more public holidays in your country?
I think so that these public holidays are enough for our country.
Do you like to watch films?
Yeah, I love to watch Hollywood movies.
Do you prefer foreign films or Indian films?
I prefer foreign films than Indian films.
How often do you go to a cinema or watch a movie?
Whenever a new movie is released, a new Hollywood movie is released, we would go to cinema hall and watch that movie.
Do Indian people like to go to cinema to watch a film?
Yeah, in India, people love to watch movies over cinemas.
What kinds of movies do you like the most and why?
I love horror movies because they are so much good for our health, and sometimes after watching them we feel less stressful.
What was the first film that you watched?
First Hollywood movie which I watched was Interstellar.
Did you like this movie?
I love this movie as it is a science fiction movie which tells about fourth universe and fifth universe.
What do you do in your spare time?
Whenever I get spare time, I would like to watch some different kind of Hollywood science fiction movies nowadays.
What do you do to relax yourself?
To relax myself, I would like to listen my favorite songs.
How do you usually spend your evenings?
I usually spend my evening with my friends doing some different kind of tasks.
What do you usually do after work or after attending your classes?
After attending my classes, I would like to go to my home and have some food. After that, I would sit with my friends.
Do you prefer to stay at home in the evening or do you prefer to go out?
I would prefer to go out in evening as it is the time when I get time to be out and hang out with my friends.
Do you think modern lifestyles give people enough time for leisure activities?
I don't think so that modern time is providing any time for leisure activities as because there is more workload and study load on individuals.
Do you think people today have more time to relax than in the past?
No, in past people were having more time than now because there were less work and there was more money at the time. But now we have to earn more and more money to live our livelihood.
Do old people and young people spend their leisure time in the same way?
No, old people spend their time sitting with each other, but young people would prefer to go to hill stations or beaches to spend their leisure time.
How do people in your country spend their holidays?
People in my country tend to go to some holy places or hill stations to do some paragliding, bungee jumping, etc. They would rather go to a beach and have fun over there.
Do you like to travel in your holidays?
Yeah, I love to travel in my holidays as I have traveled to different kind of destinations in my holidays and most of them were hill stations.
This is the end of speaking part.